This is a video walkthrough tour of 2566 West Alta Vista Road in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. Welcome to this freshly painted 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage located in the heart of South Phoenix. The kitchen comes equipped with sleek black appliances, a breakfast bar, and ample cabinetry. A dedicated dining area makes everyday meals or entertaining guests both convenient and comfortable. This South Phoenix location puts you just minutes from the South Mountain Preserve, known for its scenic hiking trails and outdoor recreation. You're also close to shopping centers, restaurants, parks, and major roadways like I-10 and the Loop 202. With schools and community amenities nearby, this home offers both comfort and convenience in a welcoming neighborhood setting. The 2 additional carpeted bedrooms are located just down the hall, offering flexibility. These rooms share the home's 2nd bathroom, which includes a tub shower combo. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Natural light fills the main living area, and a ceiling fan adds extra comfort. From the living room, you'll have direct access to the backyard, where a covered patio provides a shaded outdoor retreat, ideal for lounging, dining, or simply enjoying the Arizona weather. This well-maintained property features easy-care desert landscaping in the front and a cozy covered patio, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or unwinding in the evening shade. As you can see, tall ceilings and interior doors create a sense of openness and space throughout. And finally, here we have the primary bedroom. It features soft carpeting and plenty of natural light. The ensuite bathroom includes a walk-in shower, dual sink vanity, water closet, and a spacious walk-in closet. Schedule a showing today and see all that this gem has to offer.